the Master of Ceremonies, my colleague Honorable Inyas Seruratu, the Chief Operating Officer, New India Assurance, representatives from Fiji Care, Managing Director, Anandilal Amin and Associates. I would also like to acknowledge Ba, who is present here with the staffs of Anandilal Amin and Associates, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy and grateful to be here with all of you to celebrate this milestone, the opening of the Anandilal Amin and Associates new Nambua branch. It's also been my personal pride and privilege to be associated with the Amins for the last 35 years. By opening this new branch, you have shown confidence in the economy and bring hope to the business community and to the workers in their insurance needs. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I wish to acknowledge and remember the vision and commitment by the founder of this company, the late Mr. Anandilal Amin. The tree that he planted in 1980 continues to bear fruits as we witness that again tonight. In fact, his insurance days goes back to 1969 when he took up an agency for the then United Insurance Company Limited. As been said earlier on, apart from his business commitment, he was very active in music, cultural, educational, and religious activities. After his death in 2018, Anil took over the responsibility, and for the last several years, the company has enjoyed enormous support from his valued clients. Amin's Insurance has become a household name in the Western Division and has branded out a reputation of not only being customer friendly, but also for being trustworthy in all aspects. In the past years, the company has received the rewards by winning the New India Assurance Best Insurance Agent Award. The reputation of being one of the most customer-friendly insurance agents has put Anil with more responsibility to serve the Central Division in their insurance needs. I'm told Amins has a wide range of general insurance, covers, and has been a major player in this sector, serving the needs of people. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to urge the insurance companies to come out with innovative schemes and products in the face of COVID-19, just like the Fijian government has come up with the 2020-2021 national budget, with responsible allocations in response to COVID-19 impact, which includes the announcement of various tax incentives and schemes in ensuring that affected workers are able to return to work in the industries that they rely on. Many Fijians have been expressing their views on social media, in our daily newspapers, and some have shared their views when we pass each other in the corridor or the street. That is a timely budget that will confront the issues of today for the economic and social well-being for all Fijians for tomorrow and beyond. We have been humbled and encouraged by the response of the people from all walks of life, apart from the few who think that they have all the answers. I'm not going to name, you all are aware of whom I'm talking about. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to congratulate the management and staffs of Anandilal Amin and Associates on this joyous occasion, and same time wish to challenge the management team to continue the legacy. Thank you and Vinaka.
तुम हाथ लगाओ क्या?
मैडम जी आप हाथ लगा दे साथ साथ सब हाथ लगा दे साथ साथ में हो जाएगा
आओ बेटा, walk in.
चलो तालियां
खुशी रह के जाएगी.
really nice
आएगा.